Welcome to 862 Genovese Place, a beautifully upgraded 4-bedroom detached home in the sought-after Heartland area of Mississauga. This well-maintained home offers comfort and modern design, perfect for families seeking both luxury and convenience.
Step inside to a separate living, dining, and family rooms, featuring an open concept kitchen and elegant porcelain tile and hardwood flooring. The large eating kitchen boasts upgraded cabinets, granite countertop, a stylish backsplash, and a walkout to the patio. A stunning wooden spiral staircase leads to 4 spacious bedrooms, including 2 with ensuite bathrooms for added comfort. Plus a 2-bedroom legal basement apartment offering extra living space or rental income. Located just 10 to 15 minutes from Square One with parks, schools, and public transit nearby. This home is in a family-friendly neighborhood with everything you need.
If you like to book a private viewing for this home, or you have any question about this beautiful home, give me a call. My number is 416-629-3480.